are the expressions 3/8 and, that's 0.375 we love to call it. That's 375 thousandths with a th equivalent. Give your reasoning. Again, are the expressions 3/8 and 375 thousandths equivalent? All right, we're going to give some reasoning on that. So let's take a look at these two. I'm going to work it out two ways. We're going to make it happen two ways for us here. We can go straight to the problem here. There we go. We got the expressions 3/8 and there we have it, the two values there, 3/8 and also 375 thousandths. So what we're going to do, we're going to work two different ways on this. We're going to start, first of all, we're going to start with 3/8 and see if we can come up with an equivalence of 375 thousandths, okay? We'll come up with that decimal. Now remember, fractions are simply division. They're simply division, all right? So this is going to be a way of looking at it. We're going to take that 8 into 3. And you know what? 8 doesn't divide into 3 evenly, does it? So we're going to put a decimal and start adding some zeros until we get something going here, all right? How about it? 8 into 30, that'll work. Go 3 times. All right, kind of looking good there. 3 times 8 is 24. Bring it on down here. We'll subtract 24 from 30, gives us 6. 8 doesn't go into 6, that's good. That means I did the right division, right multiplication here. Let's go ahead and let's put another 0 there. Bring it down. We're at 60. 8 goes into 60, up there about 7 times. 7 times. And 7 times, once again, 7 times 8 is going to give us 56. Subtract, getting close, getting close. One more 0 to come down. Bring it straight down there. I get a 40. And finally, we have 8 going into 40, and it'll go 5 times. Now, that's just good old long division with basically dividing 8 into 3,000 and then making sure that decimal goes, as I said, straight up there. So yes, it is the same. It is the same. That's one option, and that would be your reasoning. Go ahead and change this fraction into a decimal. Do a conversion. You could also go the other way. And I'm going to draw a line right down through here. You might start with 375 over 1,000. I don't know that I would go that route, but you could do it, all right? Notice both of these numbers have a 5 or a 0 on the end, so we can definitely do a divided by 5 here. We can divide by 5, and that's going to give us, let's see, got enough room here? I think I barely do. That's going to give us 75, looks like over 200, I believe. 5 goes into that 200. So we got another situation here. It looks like we got 75 over 200. Let's play it on down a little bit more. We got another 5 that we can go out of. So divide by 5 one more time. That looks to be 40 on the denominator. And goodness, I believe that's going to give us 15. 15 times 5 will get us 75. So we're working it down. We're still not at 3/8. The question is, can we get there? Well, let's pick up at 15 over 40. And how about it? Let's divide again. 5. Hey, they're both 5 and 0 there. So let's divide by 5, both denominator and numerator. And I got it. You got it. Everybody got it, I hope. There is 3/8. So here's 3/8 to 3/8. But we also have the decimal forms too that would match up. So either way you go, it's a good deal, all right? You'll be fine working it out there. And somebody said, Ernie, I think we saw 25 going in there. Well, if you did 25, you would have gotten immediately down to 15 over 40. Think about quarters and stuff there, all right, if you think about your money.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.